How to find good employees for small business. Small businesses can become successful with the people who work with them. But as simple as it is to say, the reality is different. Trying to find good employees for small businesses is so much more challenging. And it's just the simple truth. So many employees are unsuccessful in finding good and highly qualified candidates. After all, hiring great talent takes a lot of work. In this episode, we will talk about this crisis in greater details. For more episodes, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for notifications. You need people who can set up the challenges and those who are prepared to handle it. But it's about the attitude. Unfortunately, small businesses are beyond the budget to hire outside consultants or HR departments to hire new employees. And that's undoubtedly a lot to manage. Finding a new employee, listening to your gut instinct, as well as spotting talent within your network can allow you to get good employees that will fit in well and add value to your small business. But how can we achieve that? What approach should you prefer to spread your business? Or where should you go to look for good employees for small businesses? What should you do or say to make the process simple? Number one, give your small business an identity. Finding good employees for small businesses often starts not with a job posting or an advertisement, but with your business identity. Your business identity is your culture message, an answer to why would someone be part of your team. Maybe your business is classy and upscale or work hard with dedication. Only you can define it clearly. So before you open your business to hire, take some time to create your business identity. When you are done with that, convey that identity in what you choose to search for good employees for your small business. That way, those seeking to be part of a team will know if you are the one they were looking for. Use social media. You can make your social media social handle act as your hiring tool. It provides a great opportunity to get the word out about hiring. You can post stories or share some posts about hiring, and the prospective person will contact you. You can also encourage sharing that post or story by asking people to share the job posting with their networks. The more it's shared, the wider the audience and the larger the pool of potential candidates that you have access to. Add photos and videos depicting your small business and work culture to make it more interactive, generating excitement about the role and your business. Don't forget to provide contact information. Consider including an email address for job seekers to contact you with questions before applying. Consider freshers or someone looking for a job change. Just because someone is new to the corporate world does not have a great deal of experience in your field, does not mean that they won't be a fit in your small business. A great employee is created by nurturing the talent with the proper guidance. Whether you are a talent in an office or an online business, the rule of leadership always applies. However, even great employees sometimes need direction and encouragement to succeed. So why not hiring freshers? You can mold them as per your work requirement, and they will come out far better than an experienced one. Look for employees with the soft skills and personality traits you are looking for when seeking employees for your small business. Unless there is a particular role, there is no reason not to consider freshers or someone looking for a job change. Partner with nonprofits. Nonprofits can act as a great source in your hunt to find good employees for small businesses. In addition, these organizations serve immigrants, veterans, and other groups who desire to work. What else? These people are willing to work hard and get back on their feet. And again, as we have said, You can teach them everything and they will learn it way better than an experienced one. However, in their case, they receive some job training from nonprofits, so you are not supposed to start from scratch. Finally, ensure a good background check for nonprofits you are approaching and the people they serve to appraise a potential employee. Go for an old school method of signs and flyers. It does not matter if it's an old school method. It is highly effective in finding good employees for small businesses that cannot put much money into searching for an employee. It is absolutely free and it just takes the cost of the paper, printing, and time to post them in your area. It is a unique approach in today's era and will immediately catch the attention of your prospective employees. A sign in a window or a flyer on a bulletin board can stand out among the mass of data and ads. Recognize great talent when you see it. Always remember that specifics can be taught, but innate empathy and strong service orientation are very hard to fake. This method to find good employees for small businesses involves looking for some specific skills or traits wherever you go. Then, wherever you see what you like, consider giving them your card and ask if they are willing to discuss a job with your small business. Connect with local colleges and university students. Indeed, another way to find good employees for small business is to connect with college and university students. Most of these institutions have career centers with dedicated staff to help their students get recruited, but that's after graduation. You can approach them and ask them whether they want to make some extra money or savings. Naturally, this will excite them and they will grab the opportunity. As for college or university going students, they get a limited amount to spend, and if you offer them such an opportunity, they will be highly pleased. Also, ask your customers for referrals. You can ask your customers to help you find new employees. For example, send an email or an SMS about your hiring requirement and ask your customers if they know anyone who might want to be part of your small business. An ideal way to motivate the response to this message is by pairing it with a mini giveaway. This small step will motivate those on the mailing list to refer qualified candidates. Also, include a referral form as a message or at the end of the invoice after finishing their service, and mention that the responses will get a chance to win a prize. You don't have to choose just one. Yes, the best thing about these methods of finding good employees for small businesses is that you don't have to restrict yourself to just one. Instead, 2, 3, or all to find out who will be the best fit for your company. Maybe posting flyers did not bring in what you wanted, but social media or reaching out to college students brings in 3 to 4 great employees to your small business. And with that, the next time you hire, focus on what works and discard what does not work. And discard what doesn't. This is the best way to find good employees for your small business. That's all for today's episode. If you have any questions about this episode, please write it in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and give this episode a thumbs up. It will allow the algorithm to promote our channel. Thank you for listening, and I will see you in the next episode.